Hello and welcome to my first edition of Christmas in July. I have always wanted to join this bloggers event but never actually did until now. Christmas in July started back in 1933 in a girls' summer camp in North Carolina, where they dedicated 2 days to celebrate the holiday. That's July 24th and 25th. They had fake snow, decked out trees, gift exchanges, they even had Santa. For my Christmas in July, I'm going to show you how to make these cute little Christmas trees, and because of the stitch that we are going to employ, you'll be able to use them both ways. Okay, so let's start. For the trees in this video, I've used a blend of wool and acrylic double knit yarn, and I used a 4mm hook. To start it off, make a slip knot and chain 4, 3 and 4. This counts as 1 double crochet plus a working stitch. Next, do 2 double crochets into that first stitch or the last stitch from hook. So this is the first row, and we have 3 double crochet stitches here, chain 3, turn work, and now we are going to do an increase that we are going to repeat throughout the pattern. Chain 3, turn work, 1 double crochet into the first stitch, next 1 back post double crochet, and then 2 double crochets in the last stitch. So in the second row we have a total of 5 stitches. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, turn work, double crochet 1 into the first stitch. And now if we want to retain this raised look, we are going to alternate between front and back post double crochet stitches. So when the work is with the face up, we are going to do the front post double crochet. When it is with the back, then we are going to work the back post double crochet. So now we have 1, 2, 3 stitches, so we are going to do front post double crochet into the next 3 stitches. Two, and the last one. And next we are going to end the row with 2 double crochets into the last stitch. Next, chain 3, turn work, and we are going to do the increase at the beginning and the end, and the back post double crochet. with the seventh row. Work the tails in such a way that they won't be visible for either side, especially if you want to use them with both sides. So I'm just going to work the tails, and next we're going to work on the tree trunk. When you're done weaving the tails, now we're going to add the stump. So in row 7 we have 13 double crochets. So we're going to insert the color into the 6th stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Make a slip knot and insert color into the 6th stitch. Chain 3, counts as the first double crochet. Next, make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Chain 3, turn work, and 1 double crochet in each stitch. And that's it. Now we just have to cut yarn and work these 2 tails.